From ancient myths to modern magic, owls have long been cloaked in mystery. Silent hunters of the night with faces like masks and eyes that seem to stare straight into your soul. But beyond the mystery and folklore lies something equally enchanting: their sheer beauty. These birds are living masterpieces crafted by nature in the most stunning and unexpected ways. From glowing white phantoms of the Arctic tundra to wide-eyed jungle spirits hiding among the trees, we're diving into the most mesmerizing owl species the world has to offer. Welcome to Infocache, where every creature has a tale, and today, we bring you a feathered gallery of wonder, the top 15 most beautiful owls on Earth. Let's fly right into the magic. Number 15. Long-eared owl. Slender, sleek, and secretive. The long-eared owl is a forest phantom with fiery orange eyes and tall feather tufts that give it its signature look. These tufts aren't actually ears, but feathers raised in response to threats or emotions, giving it an ever-curious, alert expression. Found across Europe, Asia, and North America, its brown and black streaked plumage blends so well into trees that it often vanishes before your eyes. Roosting in dense forests during the day and gliding out silently at night, it's one of the shyest yet most stunning owls you'll never see, unless you know just where to look. Number 14. Oriental Bay Owl. Hauntingly beautiful and almost alien in appearance, the Oriental Bay Owl is a bird that looks like it stepped straight out of a dream. Native to the lush, humid forests of Southeast Asia, it wears a heart-shaped facial disc with a mask-like pattern that gives it an otherworldly charm. Its creamy chestnut and golden plumage swirls together like painted brushstrokes designed for disguise. Rarely spotted but often heard, its eerie, high-pitched whistles echo like jungle whispers, making the owl seem more spirit than bird. Number 13. Eastern Screech Owl. Small but unforgettable, the eastern screech owl is a pint-sized predator with a voice like wind through the trees. Found all across eastern North America, this owl comes in two gorgeous colour morphs, a soft grey that disappears into bark and a reddish-brown that glows like autumn leaves. Its yellow eyes glimmer with curiosity, and its ear tufts tilt in expressive angles, giving it an ever-wise, slightly grumpy look. It's a master of blending in, hiding in tree cavities by day and hunting quietly by night. Tiny in size, but huge in charm. Number 12. Eurasian Eagle Owl. If owls were royalty, this one would wear the crown. The Eurasian eagle owl is a beast of beauty and brawn, with a wingspan that can stretch beyond 6 feet. Orange eyes burn like embers beneath thick, powerful brows, while its tawny plumage streaks with black and brown like war paint. Native to the rocky cliffs and forests of Europe and Asia, this apex predator can take down foxes and large birds with terrifying ease. Yet despite its fearsome skills, its appearance commands admiration. Majestic, regal, unforgettable. Number 11. Great Grey Owl. Imagine walking alone in a snow-draped forest, and suddenly, you feel eyes watching you. Then, like a wraith, the great grey owl appears. The largest owl by length, it's all elegance and silence. Its enormous round face is framed by concentric silver-grey circles, giving it a spectral, hypnotic look. Found across boreal forests in the northern hemisphere, it is a symbol of wilderness and winter. Despite its size, it's surprisingly light, and ghost quiet in flight, floating through snowstorms like a dream you're not sure was real. Number 10. Great Horned Owl. The fierce general of the owl world, the great horned owl is bold, powerful, and always watching. With broad wings, sharp talons, and deep hoots that echo through forests, deserts, and even city parks, it's the quintessential owl of North America. Its signature feathered tufts, glowing yellow eyes, and marbled grey-brown coat make it a natural-born hunter of the twilight. Nicknamed the Tiger of the Sky, this owl doesn't just survive, it dominates. Yet despite its might, it holds a rugged kind of beauty that embodies the wild. Number 9. Burrowing owl. Who says owls can't be quirky? The burrowing owl breaks all the rules, living in underground burrows and strutting around on long legs like a feathered meerkat. Found in the open prairies and deserts of the Americas, it's a small, round-headed bird with a spunky attitude and wide yellow eyes. Its speckled brown and white feathers shimmer in the sun, and its alert stance gives it a constant look of curiosity. Active during the day and surprisingly social, it's one of the most endearing owls to observe in action. Number 8. Boreal owl. Deep in the frosted forests of the north, the boreal owl waits, small, soft, and secretive. This elusive creature is dressed in chocolate brown feathers, speckled with white, and wears a pale, rounded face that glows in the moonlight. Its large yellow eyes, set in that soft, flat face, give it a look of perpetual innocence. Its soft, tooting calls drift through the trees at night, often long before you ever catch sight of it. This owl is the embodiment of the quiet northern wilderness, fragile, hidden, and hauntingly lovely. Number 7. Striped owl. Bold, streaked, and enigmatic, the striped owl is a striking presence in Central and South America. It boasts large, black-bordered eyes, creamy, streaked plumage, and dramatic facial markings that make it look perpetually focused. Its large ear tufts curve like horns, and its stare seems to penetrate the darkness. Preferring savannas, marshlands, and forest edges, this nocturnal hunter moves in silent shadows, bringing both mystery and visual drama wherever it flies. Number 6. Spotted wood owl. With its rufous face and mesmerizing white-spotted wings, the spotted wood owl brings warm, glowing beauty to the forests of Southeast Asia. This medium to large owl has a gentle, serene expression, with soft, low hoots that echo like lullabies. Its plumage is a rich mosaic of warm chestnut, cream and grey, and it carries an aura of wisdom and calm. It watches the world with quiet patience from its perch in lowland woodlands, majestic in a soft, unassuming way. Number 5. Northern pygmy owl. Don't let its tiny size fool you. This little dynamo is all predator. The northern pygmy owl may only be about 6 inches tall, but it's packed with attitude and deadly precision. Found across western North America's forests, this owl hunts during the day, swooping on prey with stealth and speed that belies its miniature frame. Its yellow eyes blaze with intensity, and those false eye spots on the back of its head, pure intimidation tactics. With brown speckled feathers and a bold heart, it's a pocket-sized powerhouse with the soul of a lion. Number 4. Spectacled owl. Step into the jungle and you may spot the spectacled owl, though you'll probably hear its deep, rhythmic hoots long before you see it. This chocolate and cream-coloured beauty wears natural glasses around its eyes, earning it both its name and its wise, professorial aura. Found in the rainforests of Central and South America, it's a silent sentinel perched among the canopy, watching, waiting. Beautifully blending into the shadows, it feels less like a bird and more like an ancient spirit. Number 3. Snowy owl. Snowy white, with golden eyes and wings wide enough to ride the Arctic wind. The snowy owl is a winter warrior, cloaked in beauty. Males are almost completely white, while females and juveniles are decorated with black speckling, giving them a regal, wintry camouflage. Found across the tundra of the far north, they hunt by day, soaring low over icy ground in search of prey. When they migrate south in winter, it's like seeing a mythical beast in the flesh, majestic, rare, and unforgettable. Number 2. Mottled owl. Common yet stunning, the mottled owl hides in plain sight across Latin America's jungles and forests. Its plumage, a subtle blend of brown, grey and buff tones, is intricately patterned to disappear into the foliage. No ear tufts, no drama, just soulful dark eyes, a round, soft face, and a call that lilts through the night like a whispered lullaby. It's the beauty of subtlety, the poetry of camouflage, and a symbol of the wild that thrives quietly beside us. Number 1. Barn Owl. And now, at the pinnacle of beauty, the ghost, the legend, the barn owl. With its pale, heart-shaped face, ethereal white chest and golden wings flecked with grey, it looks like a living spirit drifting through the night. Found nearly worldwide, from farm fields to ruins to forests, the barn owl hunts with uncanny silence, guided by hearing so precise it can catch prey in total darkness. Its eerie screeches have haunted human folklore for centuries, but to see, one in flight is to witness grace made real. It's haunting, it's elegant, it's unforgettable. The barn owl is not just the most beautiful owl, it's one of nature's most mesmerizing creations. So there you have it, 15 stunning owls, each with a presence that stirs the imagination and beauty that rivals the finest art. But now it's your turn. Which owl cast the deepest spell on you? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Infocache, where every feather, fang and footstep has a story worth telling. Until next time, keep your eyes on the trees, your heart open to wonder, and your curiosity as sharp as an owl's gaze. We'll see you in the next wild adventure.